Ami Petitioner narrates what happened inside Zanu PF the last 24 hours. 24 September 2025. Zanabena mashoko kubuda pangwa ino. Aiwa a brief the last night interview with one of the May 2025 petitioners to the military comrade Gifford Gomwe. Zanabena mashoko arunya sobuda pangwa ino achonka kwenza aiwa pangwa ino vana simba chikanza anosikana ndoma interviewers pangwa ino vachino investigator nekunonzwa zvakanyasa kuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF amid chaos iri kuitika nemapower transitions panguva inoenda subscribe or like on the bell icon tipinda pana papa ile mbobuda nyika mchinzi mnangagwa reshuffle the most mpofu elevates loyalist in ZANU-PF power shift. In summary, in a late night interview, petitioner comrade Gifford Gomwe revealed that President Emmerson Mnangagwa's latest ZANU-PF reshuffle has significantly altered the party's power structure. Obet Mpofu was demoted from Secretary General to the ICT department, a move seen as retaliation for his ties to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Patrick Chinamasa was reassigned to Treasurer General, giving him control of party finances, while Zambi took over legal affairs, strengthening pro-Mnangagwa loyalist. Gomwe described the reshuffle as a strategic consolidation of power ahead of the 2030 agenda, sidelining dissenters and reinforcing Mnangagwa's dominance. The changes, announced via ZANU-PF's official Facebook page, took immediate effect. Mashoko arubuda pangwa ine zviri kuonekwa kunzi hazvisina kumira zvakanaka on the ruling party ZANU-PF. In the end, tichazongoona kuti zvichapera sei. Tudze mafungiro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.